So hello guys, welcome back to our channel Master in PLC. In today's video, we are going to learn about NONC contact and coil in PLC. So let's start today's lecture. So first let's understand what an NO contact. So NO contact means normally open contact, and NO contact is open in its default state, means off. Okay. Suppose we perform an one operation. An external action is applied like pressing a push button or applying pressure, the circuit closes and current flow means plus 24 volt to 0 volt. Means in initial state, the circuit is off state. And when we apply a pressure or push the switch, the circuit is closed and current is flowing from plus 24 volt to 0 volt. Okay. So NO contact always used in input side. For example, a push button that open until you press it. Okay. Symbol of NO in PLC. This is the symbol of NO contact in PLC programming. Okay. In upcoming lectures, we will see. Next is NO contact operation. In figure first, initially the NO switch is like this and the circuit is closed. Sorry, open. And the circuit is open. When we apply a pressure or push the switch, the circuit becomes closed and suppose it is a plus 24 volt and it is a 0 volt. So current flowing from plus 24 volt to 0 volt. Okay. So next is NO contact element. Then it is the NO contact element. It always represent in green color. Okay. Then we will understand NC contact. NC contact means normally close contact. And the default state of NC contact is closed, means initially it is on condition. Okay. Suppose we perform an operation when the corresponding input or condition become energized, means current already flowing from plus 24 volt to 0 volt, means circuit is closed and the contact open, interrupt the current signal. When we apply a pressure or press the switch, it's open the contact and the current flowing is stopped. It always used in input side like NO contact. NC contact is also always used in inputs. Okay. For example, a safety switch that stops the machine when activated, means in initial condition the machine is activated and when we press a safety switch that suddenly stop the machine. Okay. So next is then symbol of NC in PLC. This is the normally close contact symbol in PLC programming language. Okay. So NC contact operation, like NO contact operation, NC contact operation is opposite of NO contact operation. Initially in first figure, the NC contact op is closed, means plus 24 volt to 0 volt is following through the circuit. And when we apply pressure, it's become open. Okay, and interrupt the current and stop the equipment suddenly. NC contact element always represent in red color, means here it is the NC contact element. The NC contact element connect in the back of this push button. It is the NC contact element. Okay. Inside the element, same operation is performed like this. Then last, we will see coil. So the function of coil, it activates an output like motor relay valve like this. Output means motor, relay or lamp or valve. Okay. Next is control. It's depend on the logic condition, means output is always depend on the input conditions. Input condition means NONC contact condition. Okay. And the coil is always used in output side. Here it is the symbol of coil in PLC programming language. Okay, and thank you.